Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make miso soup with white miso paste. Start by making a light dashi using kombu and bonito flakes, or use instant dashi for speed. Keep the broth gently heated and avoid boiling once miso is introduced. Taste as you go and adjust miso by small amounts to reach a balanced, savory, and slightly sweet soup. Collect the ingredients and tools before you start to keep the process calm and smooth. Measure 2 cups of prepared dashi and set aside 1 to 2 tablespoons of white miso in a small bowl. Have soft tofu cubed and wakame rehydrated if using dried seaweed. Keep a whisk and ladle handy to blend miso and strain out any lumps so your soup stays silky and pleasant. Warm the dashi to just below a simmer and keep it gentle to protect the miso's flavor. Scoop a few tablespoons of hot broth into a bowl, whisk in the white miso until fully dissolved, then return the mixture to the pot without boiling. Add cubed tofu and wakame and let them heat for 1 to 2 minutes so textures stay tender. Finish with sliced scallions and taste, adjusting miso by...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.